Hi, my name is Emmanuelle Mattana. Today I'm reading Bird and Bear and the Special Day by Anne James. Bird wakes up to a beautiful day. Happy bird day, Bird, she says to herself. Bird flies off to share it with her best friend, Bear. Hello, Bear, says Bird. Are we ready to go? Ready, says Bear. Out the gate they go. This way for the special day, calls Bird. Where are we off to? Asks Bear. We'll see when we get there, she says. What'll we find there? Asks Bear. There's something big, says Bird, and something small, something short. And something tall? Asks Bear. Very likely, says Bird. Something wet, she says. And something dry, adds Bear.